Welcome to Whispers. It's been quite a while, so I was just checking out the news, and I came across, guess who came back from the dead? There's no other person than Lier. Ekojo lie, ekojo lie, ekojo boro wago. So I came across some former minister, Lier Mohammed, the notorious Lier Mohammed, very, very synonymous with lying, and he's up to no good. Lier is up to no good. The leopard can never change its spots. Oshibi woni agbalagba kìí ṣe langbalangba. Ó mà ṣe o. Lier Mohammed. Tí gbogbo rádaràda yìí náà bẹ́ẹ̀ sì sí rábàràbà rádaràda wọnú sàárè náà ni. Alátàtà tótó oníkòtìkòtì oníṣọṣọṣọ. Ẹ bá nu ẹnu yín nù níbi ẹ̀gbẹ́ ẹnu ni, níbi kógó ìmí wà ní kógó òkè ètè. Ẹ bá nu nù irú ọbẹ̀ lẹ́nu kúrò yẹn. Ẹ̀yin àbímọ́sọ́ni lọ. Akúmọ̀ mojúdì àtòkúmọ̀ kọ àmọ̀nà ọ̀run mọ́ lọ. Ṣó tiẹ̀ yẹ kẹ́ ẹ dún? Èyí tó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ wọlé bí àrá. But Lier Mohammed is up to no good. Oh my God, this time around. Let's find it. I was just come along with me. Let's find out what Lier Mohammed has been up to. So, fake news nearly ruined my marriage, said former Lier Minister of Information, Lier Mohammed. So, former Minister of Information and Culture is the former Minister of Misinformation and Culture. Yeah, I can say he propagated the culture of lying to people's faces. Lier Mohammed has recounted all fake news, stating that 1.9 billion was paid into account, almost destroyed his marriage of 40 years. Oh my God. Fake news coming from you, Lier, tó jẹ́ pé you are fake news. If fake news were a person, you are fake news personified. Mohammed, a minister during the Buhari-led administration, shared this while speaking at a program organized by the Mass Communication Department of Olabisi Onabanjo University, Agowoye. In his words, oh my God. Orudulenu linyi kilevesa. Kilevela kilove wi. DJ YK Mule. Nishombe. The menace of fake news is a menace that must be tackled by all of us. what goes round comes round. Okay, go on, son. This is something that nearly cost me my marriage of 40 years. It shock you, lie. It shock you. And be Robert a pọ̀ you know. Wàhálà ó ń pẹ́. Excuse me, lie ó ń pẹ́. Cost you your marriage of about 40 years. Did you know the impact, the cost of your lives over the years has cost Nigerians, and they're still paying for your lives, like while we were in government, there was fake news. What do you mean there was? You had the fake news now. You had the originator of it. That I oh, okay. Breathe. Okay. So it was said. Now this is the gist. Wow. We were in government. Tó túmọ̀ sí pé àkísà ló gbà rí. Láláyé tó rókè láyé àgbègbà tó rinlẹ̀. There was fake news that I had 1.9 billion in my bank account, and unfortunately, many people believed this falsehood, including my wife. But lie, you that I know. Your so-called fake news, man, you tell of truth too. Òtítọ́ máa wà ń bẹ̀ o kò máa exaggerate ẹ̀ ní o. Òótọ́ tíntín ní á wà ń bẹ̀ wá fi rọ́ exaggerate yòókù, including my wife. One day, my wife woke me up in the middle of the night. Middle of the night, bíi ti bó o láyé. Go on, son, and spoke in Yoruba. She called me Daddy. Aláṣejù tí pọkọ ní bàbá, Daddy. Àbẹ̀gbẹ́mọ iye ọmọ tó bí. I said yes. What is it? Lie. Ìwọ náà. She said, we all know that death can come at any time. Lie. Òótọ́ ni ìyàwó ẹ̀ sọ. Ikú òdòjọ́ láyé. Àrùn òdòṣù. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ tí ẹ ti ń súnmọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. Ẹ ti ń súnmọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, àbí? We may say it wouldn't be this early, but it may be. But whatever happens, it will be good if you make me one of your signatories to your bank account to prepare for any eventuality. Láyé. Tí kò wọ́n ti fẹ́ jogún ẹ̀. Ẹni ẹlẹ́ni. Owó là pé owó dẹ̀ lóbìnrin mọ̀, àbí? Even my friends and many other people are already begging me for money after seeing the report of so much money in my account. The former minister said he had to take his time to explain to his wife that the report was entirely fake news and that the allocation for his ministry in a year was 5 billion. Making a total of 40 billion for the years spent in government. Láyé ìwọ nìkan 40 billion. Ó jọra wọn náà. Ó jọ gàtí kò jọ gàtí. Díẹ̀díẹ̀ náà ni wọ́n lọ fanú èdè. This is why I strongly believe this menace of fake news should be curbed. You wouldn't know the weight of it until it's about you. Really lie? Kí ló wá ìtí rí? Ṣé bọ́rọ̀ owó ni? Owó ló bojú ọ̀rẹ́ jẹ́ náà, ọ̀rọ̀ owó lẹ̀ sọ yìí náà. Kí ló wá kó tó ń kọ́ lára ẹ láyé náà? What do you mean by you wouldn't know the weight of it until it's about you? Láyé. Kí ló wá kí ni Kini karamo. It has destroyed many marriages. Many people have even committed suicide because fake news was published about them on social media. He said, nǹkan tí mo hate ní láyé, jọ kí ló ń pè ẹ́ sí? Kí ni nǹkan tó ń pè ẹ́ sí? Kí lákòórí nǹkan tí wọ́n pè ẹ́ sí? Kí ni nǹkan tó ń sọ? Kí ni nǹkan tó ń sọ? Well, it's good to know, ṣá. At least o taste díẹ̀. Àwọn bíi ti rí rè. Ẹ lọ pé bíi ti rí wá. Bíi ti rí ló wá jíṣẹ́ fún ẹ̀yìn láyé. Tip of the iceberg. Kí ló wá ìtí rí? Kí ló tí rí láyé? Rádaràda. Fake news nearly ruined your marriage. Ṣé bọ́rọ̀ owó ni? Ọjọ́ o bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ náà, ìyàwó rẹ̀ náà ni ó jogún rẹ̀. Apá ẹ mọ́ kíní kan lọ nù, kíní kan lásàrè. Sẹ́ẹ̀mù náà ni. So kí wá ni? Kò tí ẹ jọra wọn. Kò jọra wọn. Some people reacted. Oh my God. It got it really hot. So let's find out. Evil that men do lives with them. The publisher of fake news himself is crying. Àbí? Láyé kí wá ń dẹkú tẹ̀ ń sùn. Agbanini tí orúkú ń ṣẹ̀jẹ̀ kí lẹ́kú tẹ̀ ń sùn. Ẹbí 40 years, ẹbí kò ṣe àtúkà. Ẹ̀tọ́ ìyàwó yín ló béèrè. Excuse me. Ẹ̀tọ́ ẹ̀ ló béèrè. Pé kẹ́ tó kú, kẹ́ tó lé, kẹ́ tó dáadáa. Kíjà má bàa bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ̀ nígbà tẹ́ bá lọ tán. Pé kẹ́ pín ire, kẹ́ láre. So kí wá ní fake news nínú yẹn? Kí ni fake news nínú yẹn? Somebody said, go and sit down. Àbí jèrè, ẹ lọ wá bí wọ́ sí. Are you not the grandfather of fake news? Àbí o? Ẹ bá ń bi láyà o. The doyen of lies. A truly certified liar with a PhD in lie management. Shame on you. Shame on you, lie. Shame on you, lie, Mohammed. You lied to your wife. Lie to lie, sir. Lie to lie, sir. Lie kòkò tó jẹ́ pé lie ni. Kí ló wá kù? Rí nǹkan tó fojú wa rí ńgbà yẹn ni. Mo ti mọ̀ pé èèyàn tó ń ṣe báyìí ń ta. Ó máa burú jù bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ́nà ilé. Díẹ̀ ló kù kí láyé fi rọ́pa wá. Àmọ́yé àwọn èèyàn tí rọ́ láyé pa. Tí fake news láyé pa. Láyé tí ó mọ̀ kúrò ojúkorojú báyìí. Tẹ́ẹ̀nì láyé ẹ̀jẹ̀ rẹ̀ yóò ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ kọ́ omi ni. The evil men did runs after them. The worst liar of our time. You go supposed to ruin out your marriage. Nigerians are reaping the fruit of the varieties of lies you lied for Nigeria today. We never heard of your lies again as soon as you and your incompetent master left Nigeria into the hands of mouth for nothing president. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, lies reign of terror. Nígbà tí wọ́n lọ bá atẹ́gùn fẹ́ sílẹ̀ àti ẹ̀sìnmi àfi bọ́ tó ṣe wá wúra yìí. Láyé kó wọlé bí ara ni o. Wọlé bí ara lọ́wọ́ kan. Má gbé yẹn wá o. The last news I heard about lying Mohammed was about this topic, and now this again. Well, they said that the evil that men do lives with them. Because nobody had blatantly lied to this country in its existence the way you did. Even the devil, who is the father of all lies, that you were his grandfather. This lie legacy ain't going anywhere soon. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, kò go anywhere soon because wọ́n máa kọ ìtàn irọ́ lies of Nigeria. Front seat ni Lai Mohammed máa take leading role. Oh my God, Lai Mohammed. Wọ́n tún wá fi ṣe minister of misinform. Ó kàn misinform àwọn èèyàn lónìí. So the only thing your poor wife thought of was how to absorb stolen money. You just indicted her and her friends, and your friends without knowing it. I have said this before. The families of these people are part of this country. Behind every successful man, there must be a woman. Abby. Ẹni ẹlẹ́ni, Miss Lai. Ó yá pẹ̀pẹ́ Lai. Mọ̀pòrọ̀ mi o. Owó tó gbà yìí ó pọ̀. Ó bá ti mọ̀ pé o fẹ́ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Tètè jẹ́ kọ́kọ́rọ́ ọbẹ̀ báyìí mo lé ń lọ rádaràda. Ẹ máa imagine. Àfọ̀fún gbé mu. Kò mélèé tó kàn. Akó má mojú tì. Àwọn àgbà rádaràda, àwọn ọba yìí jẹ́. Àwọn àgbà kọ̀ǹtìyàn. Ó ń pẹ́. Ẹjọ́ ló fẹ́ rò náà Lai. Ẹjọ́ ló fẹ́ rò tá ń bí ẹlẹ́jọ́. Wọ́n lẹ́lẹ́fọ̀ọ́ ò ní o. Kí là ń wí kí ló ń sọ? Alátàtà ń tòótọ́. Kí ni nǹkan ọ̀hún? Jọ yípa wo wà lélẹ̀ tó sọ ipa wo ló wá kó? Kí ni wá ní nǹkan tó sọ yìí? Kí ló ṣe nínú bùkátà mẹ̀kúnnù? Àbí kí ló ṣe nínú ìtẹ̀síwájú ìlú? Bó bá wulí ẹ̀ kó lana, bó wù kó gbiná, bó wẹ̀ kó fìyàwó ẹ̀ ṣe signati, ta ló bí ẹlẹ́jọ́? Who ask you? Who send you? Like, back inside, rádaràda. Kókó tó wọ́jọ́ kó kìíní dà sàn. Tàbí ẹlẹ́jọ́ ẹjọ́ ló fẹ́ rò. Story for the gods. Àlejò 40 years. Àti kí tó wá ní. Ìyàwó Láyé jí lóru. Ó jẹ̀bi tó sọ Yorùbá. Kò bá sọ tápà. Bó dẹ̀ jẹ́ Hausa àbí Fúlàní. Bó dẹ̀ jẹ́ Franco whatever ló fẹ́ sọ. Ta wá ní. Would that help? Láyé. Would that help? Kí ló tiẹ̀ máa ń ṣe yìí náà? Kí ló máa ń ṣe yìí náà? Tí ì fi kò kí n tán lára wèrè kó má kó páyà. Tí ì fi gbogbo rádaràda yìí lẹ̀. Lè fi lẹ̀bẹ̀ ṣe máa bá kú ni. Bá kú láṣọ ewúrẹ́. Ó ga gan. I was just like Lai Mohammed again. Is back from the dead. And when he was even alive, he didn't have anything useful, tangible to contribute to. Say, how much more now? How much? Lai, please go sit down. And ẹgbẹ́nu yín sàn. Ẹ̀yin játọ́. Ẹ lọ dé pampers yín. Ẹ lọ jẹ́ kó fún yín lóògùn yín. ẹjọ́. So guys, that's Lai Mohammed doing rádaràda. Ó ga gan. Fake news ní ẹni ìròyìn tó Spanish. Ó ń pẹ́. So ẹ ti ẹni marriage. Ìra àwọn onírà wọn yìí. Irú ọkọ láyà. Tó yín jọgé fọ́ọ̀ni. Wayo man marry wayo woman. Àwa bí wayo children. Ẹjọ́ máa yanjú ẹ̀. Wàhálà ti ẹ̀ nìyẹn. So, it's like this story is even fake. It doesn't even sound real. the authenticity of it is questionable. It's questionable. The relevance of whatever it is he's saying is spewing out. Is I don't know. Go fitting into the word. Okay. So like torí pé fake news wá fẹ́ rí o marriage kí ló sọ́nà. So fake news has to be tackled. Fake news that wasn't tackled when you were dishing it out, killing the masses, misinforming people, cutting them with your words and things like and or what have you not. So it's now they need to tackle it. Tackle ni. Okay. Since you to sọ pé kó tackle it, you bail the cat. Jẹ́ ká fi ẹ́ ṣe scapegoat. Kó wá answer for all the lies, all the fake news. Tó lanu ẹ̀ kòró báyìí lójú kòró. Those ọlọ́ndẹ̀ ṣe everything is in print. Everything is in print. Àwọn ọmọ àtẹ̀wọ̀n ẹ̀dẹ́rùn ẹ̀ wọ́n á bá ń bẹ̀. Tackle ni. So, on that note, thanks for listening to me. So, until I come away with another interesting headlines in Nigeria's animal farm. Bye.